guys, it's Kate. I get so many emails from people telling me they want to visit the places I write about in my books, so I thought I'd do a YouTube channel so that I could share some of these places with you. The street we're driving on is called Ramsey Road. This is a short drive at the Naval Academy that I always love to take. But funny thing is, the road is so low that it gets flooded anytime there's a big storm. We got lucky today though. The water you're looking at is College Creek, and then the walking bridge you'll see in the distance is called Fitch Bridge. And there you can see the Naval Academy Chapel in the distance. And here we are at Sherman Field. And there's the Naval Academy Bridge. I talk about this one a lot in my books. I'll get closer to give you a better look in another video. Thanks for watching.